Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel efalcons. Now I will show you a trick of Excel. I started this series of Excel, so we will make videos regularly on the Excel tricks and tips. So this is the first trick I want to show you. Let's say I take this data of table, and I will show you a trick that how you can put automatically the serial number when you enter a new data in a table. So it will be a very tricky and good tip for you also. So this is I put 14 numbers. Okay, so if I want this table, I will select this all table, and I will insert a table. So let's select the table, and then insert the table. And as I have the header in my table, I will remove the banded rows and the filters because it will look clear. So let's say I will select style of the table from design, and let's come to the table. I put the borders, table borders. Okay, so equal, we will write the row, and then close the brackets, both the brackets, and minus row, and then we will select the serial number cell where we write the serial number cell. We will close the cell. In other video I will show you how to remove blank cells from a table together. I will show you in the next video. So for just for now we will delete only one row, and then let's see what happens. See, the serial number automatically changes by serial number. Yeah, automatically it gives the serial number to the table, so you don't need to change the all row tables again. We will delete one row. See, there is a difference. There is no difference in the rows. So if you want to delete all the one by one, so it will not affect our serial numbers. So it will give it automatically serial numbers to each row. So it's a very good trick, and you must apply for in your Excel tables when you want to we can use this trick to save our times. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.